Isaias making its approach now to the North Carolina coast, should be here during the mid to late evening hours, at least on the coast of North and South Carolina. We'll talk about that coming up. The latest in from the Hurricane Center, still a strong tropical storm, winds at 70 miles an hour. The threshold to a hurricane is 74. It is picking up speed as predicted, moving north-northeast at 16. They'll probably be trucking it across North Carolina at about 25-30 miles per hour as it moves out during the morning hours tomorrow. There it is, and the center of circulation is actually south of where you see those bright cloud tops, showing that it's not really all that well organized in terms of being a symmetrical storm. But still, it's packing a punch, and even if it is a hurricane, it's forecast to be a Category 1 hurricane at landfall. It won't make a whole lot of difference. It doesn't have a whole lot of time to strengthen now. It's almost on shore. It will be by about midnight or so. There's the track. Again, maybe a Category 1 at landfall, but by 2 a.m. back down to 70 miles per hour. And then it charges across the I-95 corridor, a little bit east of there, actually, the center of circulation. And by tomorrow afternoon, it's up northeast of Washington, D.C. That's how fast it's moving. But it's not going to weaken a whole lot. Even there, while it's inland that many hours, it'll still have winds at 65 miles per hour. Here's another view on a satellite and radar picture. You can see a very well-defined circulation. Notice most of the rain is north of the center. So once the center goes by tomorrow morning, your rain will shut off very quickly. The heaviest rains are north of the center, and that's where they'll stay. We've got some scattered showers and thunderstorms now, sort of an indirect effect of Isaias. Again, parts of Durham County into sections of Orange County and back into Alamance County, over into Granville County too. Showers and a few thunderstorms moving northwest at about 25 miles per hour on the Wake-Johnston County line. Some showers and storms into Harnett County too. Heavy downpours. These are in and out. You get a heavy downpour for a while and then it moves out, like in Robinson County. As we head into the evening hours, it's going to be a steady, heavy rain that moves in. First alert predictor. Here we go into the evening. Scattered showers through 7:38, some thunder and lightning. Then after 10, here comes Isaias. That's when the widespread rains begin to come in. After midnight, it's north of the center of the heaviest rain that'll be occurring through the morning hours, and it's east of the center where the tornado threat will be. Brittany will have more on that in a bit. Here we are, 4 a.m. Notice that heavy rain as the center moves over Goldsboro, the gusty winds. Again, the roughest period is going to be between about 2 a.m. and 7 or 8 a.m. Notice 8 o'clock, it's into southeast Virginia. We're already dry in the triangle, and then we have sunshine through much of the day. Look at that. It's not a bad afternoon. The winds will still be very gusty, but then diminish into the afternoon hours. So the worst of the weather early in the morning hours. How much rain? Got several threats with this. Rain, wind, tornado threat. How much rain? Generally 3 to 5 inches. You see with our computer model here, this is just one model, the European, but they're all pretty much closed in on that. Since it's moving so fast, it's not going to have time to drop 6, 7, 8 inches in most spots. Generally 3 to 5. A few will get a bit more, but the flash flood watch remains in effect for everybody. A good idea just not to really be out early in the morning hours tomorrow with that threat of very heavy rain and flash flooding, and eventually some river flooding. We'll be talking about that later tonight and during the day tomorrow. Brittany's got more on the wind threat coming with Isaias. Brittany?
Yeah, Chris, we'll see those winds really picking up throughout the overnight hours, but also looking at those impacts along the coast, we do have various storm surge warnings in effect near the Outer Banks, also a storm surge watch near Surf City. But going back to those winds, we'll really see those really ramping up throughout the overnight hours around 2 to 3 a.m. close to Wilmington, near 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. More of the same near southern Sampson County, closer to the Triangle, around 20 miles per hour. Throughout tomorrow morning, as we get closer to sunrise, we can have those winds gusting as high as 50 to 60 miles per hour along and east of I-95, and then those winds are starting to ramp up from south to north throughout Tuesday morning as we get closer to sunrise. On top of that wind threat, watching out for that potential for a brief spin-up tornado. Currently, we only have a tornado watch for Sampson County, but we will likely see more counties added to that watch throughout the overnight hours, and that's because we do have that risk for a brief spin-up tornado, mainly along and east to I-95. We'll be tracking any of those warnings if they do pop up throughout the overnight hours. Chris?
Okay, Brittany. So just to sum it all up again, main threat's going to be between midnight and early tomorrow morning. Heavy rain, flash flooding, winds gust to 40 around the Triangle, maybe 50, up to 65 along the I-95 corridor from Fayetteville to Goldsboro and Rocky Mount. Power outages, a potential risk, especially areas south and east of the Triangle.